Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mushroom soup with chicken. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh cremini mushrooms and 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Also, prepare your aromatics like onions, garlic, and fresh thyme. Don't forget chicken broth, heavy cream, and a touch of butter to build that rich, comforting base for our soup. Next, we'll build the foundational flavors. First, sear your chicken breasts in a hot pan until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides, then remove them. In the same pan, sauté your sliced mushrooms in a knob of butter until they've released their liquid and achieved a lovely brown color. Finally, add your chopped onions and minced garlic, cooking them until they are soft and wonderfully fragrant. Now, let's create that luscious soup base. Deglaze your pan with a splash of chicken broth, making sure to scrape up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Then, pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Stir in about 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream to achieve a wonderfully smooth and luxurious texture. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and fresh thyme. For the grand finale, shred your cooked chicken into perfect bite-sized pieces and return it to the simmering soup. Let everything gently simmer together for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly meld and deepen. Before serving, consider a beautiful garnish of fresh parsley or a delicate swirl of extra cream. Now, your delicious homemade mushroom chicken soup is ready to be enjoyed warm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.